Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your PayPal transaction history. The main reason you'd want to find your PayPal transaction history is mainly to say, let's find how you're spending your money on, or another hand, let's see where you're getting your payments from. Let's see where you're getting your money. Overall, this video is going to be helpful for anyone wanting to find their transaction history on PayPal. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to see how to find your PayPal transaction history. If you do find this video helpful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more future tutorials. So you're going to want to, of course, load up PayPal. You're going to see your PayPal balance. You're going to see your profile picture in the top right corner. I don't have anything in my PayPal balance right now, but if you do, you'll see it here. And just a regular home page. Now, in order to find your transaction history, what you're gonna wanna do is just go down here to activity, and you're gonna be able to see everything. See, most of mine are on Coinbase, and yours probably won't be the same as mine, but you can see everything. Everything on this page, you can see purchases, and then you can see your sent and received. But apart from that, that's really everything you need to know over here. I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to like, share it with a friend, and definitely be sure to subscribe for more future tutorials.